What happens if I'm falsely accused and the police contact me?
Whether you're whether you're falsely accused or there may be some accusations that you are concerned about, it makes no difference on the type of response that you have, which would be to not jump into some form of elaboration as to why you believe that you're falsely accused. Get on the phone, call an attorney, have that attorney present the definitive evidence that the accusation is unfounded, create any sort of doubt or create any sort of discrepancies, create that alternative narrative that's going to demonstrate that those accusations are in fact false. But you should not be the one to take up your mission and prove why you believe those allegations are false. Because oftentimes people will try to do that, obviously to save face or save reputation or reasons that are completely well-founded, but in the meantime they get into a conversation with a highly trained law enforcement agent or officer, detective, or whomever that is going to ask them questions that they were not anticipating, and they may end up answering those questions in a way that could be incriminating or more so helping law enforcement build their case than demonstrating that there was ever any sort of false allegation.
And I would say sometimes that is the toughest part, is when someone is falsely accused, because again, echoing what Josh just said, what do you want to do when you're falsely accused of something?
Defend yourself.
Of course, you immediately want to prove that this is false. However, that is when you have to stop, take a deep breath, and as Josh said, put an attorney between you and law enforcement.